So our group will continue with the preparation of working papers in auditing. The preparation of working papers is a vital component in auditing that guarantees a comprehensive, diligent and organized audit process. The following is a step-by-step manual for creating working papers. The first one is understanding the goals and scope of the audit. By having a thorough understanding of the audit engagement's objective, requirements and scope. The second one is planning and preliminary assessment. This involves learning as much as possible about the audit entity's operation, risk and industry. Next, create an audit strategy that details the steps to be taken and the areas that need to be looked at. The third one is arrange working papers. According to provide an organized structure for the working papers, usually in accordance with the audit plan or programs. Additionally, group the working papers according to the various audit domains, such as financial statements, internal controls, and compliance. The fourth one is standards for documentation. Standardized templates or formats for different kinds of working papers are used by documentation standards to guarantee uniformity, facilitate review and make sure that every working paper has the necessary information, including the date of preparation, the preparer's initials, the purpose, and reference.
5. Gathering of evidence. Evidence gathering involves gathering relevant paperwork and proof to back up claim, account balance, and financial transaction. Note the provenance, type, and accuracy of the information gathered. 6. Testing procedure. As specified in the audit plan, conduct substantive and compliance tests as part of the audit procedure. Keep a record of all the test detail, including sample choices, outcomes, and conclusions. 7. Recording of result. Any concern, exception, and abnormalities found during the audit process should be clearly documented. Then, provide justification and analysis backed up by relevant evidence.
The next step is cross-reference and traceability. This is where we cross-reference working papers with relevant sections or documents which are usually found in financial statements in order to make the audit trail easier to navigate and also comprehend, basically making it more easy to understand. After that, examine and manage. In this step, we have to ascertain that the working papers have been examined by senior auditors or supervisors in order to make sure that they are accurate, comprehensive, and they comply with audit standards. And during this step, it is crucial to include input and fix any flaws that are found. Lastly, finalization and approval. Complete the working papers and also secure the required permissions and sign-offs in accordance with the firm's policies after making all necessary reviews and amendments. To conclude, working papers must be prepared well in order to support audit findings, record the audit process, and also guarantee compliance to audit standards. This is to ensure that stakeholders will receive results in an efficient and effective manner.